Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. Excuse me. I'm getting ready to do a quick DIY. And I must tell you, yesterday, after I did my candle holders, I was so in love with it and I thought it would be perfect if I had a vanity tray to put it on. So I decided I want to create a vanity tray to put it on. So this tray is going to be made out of the same material. Basically, it looks like this and it comes in a circle. What I decided I wanted to do was to take a square mirror that I have. You can get a Dollar Tree mirror. And I wanted to put it on something that is a little bit sturdy and it's going to give me just a bit more height. Not much, but a little bit more than the mirror offers. And so I cut out the size of the mirror of the Dollar Tree cardboard. And like I said, you can use the cardboard from your grocery store, or if you have some sitting around, which I do have some sitting around in my garage. But lately I've been loving the Dollar Tree cardboard because it's so thin. So I took my metal ribbon and want to create a trim for that. It is fabulous because it is so flexible. It's like using the foil. So I really like that. So I laid out the length that I needed of the mirror, and then I pinched the side so that I have 4 corners. But before, and I made sure, and then I did it, cut it a little bit longer so that it will overlap onto the extra piece I have. So just like that. So we'll get to that point, but I just wanted to share that with you. Now, for this project, you're going to need the Dollar Tree mirror, or if you have a piece of mirror you have already that you want to use, that's perfectly fine. I'm using the Dollar Tree cardboard, which if you have a regular cardboard and it's the width or the size that you need for the mirror, then that's absolutely perfect. You will need glue sticks and your glue gun. You'll need the scissors in order to cut out your ribbon. And I did share with you guys about this trim. You can find it at Hobby Lobby for $5.99. You can use a 40% coupon, or if they are running a sale on it, then that is awesome as well. So what I want to do right now, my mirror will need to be cleaned later. I'm not going to worry about it right now because not going to worry about cleaning the mirror right now because I'm going to have my hand on it, I'm sure. Be generous with your glue. And I'm using my glue sticks, which is very strong. And I have mentioned to you guys about the Gorilla Glue sticks as well. Those are amazing. They are very, very strong. And I'm not going in any particular way. I'm just laying it on the back and center it on your cardboard. And press it down. And I can feel the heat on the mirror, guys. Just like that. And just your regular white vinegar will clean this mirror perfectly with some newspaper. Comes off perfectly. Okay, that seems like a plan. Now, the thing that I don't know for sure is how well I'm going to have. Well, let's just get started and see. I don't know if I should start. Let's start with the side first. Lay the glue onto the metal. And I start with this side first because it seemed to be easier. Press it against the cardboard and the mirror. Hold it. And I know that it works well with the glue because I used it yesterday when I created those candle holders, which turned out fabulous. If you have not seen that video, I hope you will check it out. Let me know how you like it. It's not sticking very well, so I'm applying more glue down in the cracks of them. Let's see what happens now. Alright, I'm going to hold this, let it dry. I'm going to go around and glue all the ends and come back and show it to you. So guys, I wanted to come back to share with you that I discovered it is easier to do this in sections. So before I went ahead and add the glue all the way across and then try to hold it together, I think it's better to hold it in place, drop your glue down, section at a time, and it works much easier. So I wanted to share that with you. Just hold it together. I'm going to go ahead, finish this up, and then I want to add to this vanity some stones. I'm not sure yet, so we'll see. We'll discover that when we get to that point. So I'm going to go ahead, finish this up. I just didn't want to forget to mention to you that it is easier just to hold it in place and add your glue a section at a time. Okay? Okay guys, so I'm going to, inside the mirror, I want to lay some of these Dollar Tree beads. So if there is any gap or you can see the glue, I want to go ahead and just disguise that. So I'm going to take the glue, lay it down, and slowly starting to lay the beads. I also want to add some of these beads on the top as well, because the ribbon can be very sharp. So if you're not concerned about that, that's fine. Not that I have children that's going to touch it or get hurt by it, but I would suggest doing that. So I am going to do it. Besides, I think it will just add some interest to the mirror as well, to the vanity tray. And I'll show you what that looks like in a bit. I'm going to go ahead, go around, finish this up, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I got the inside and I love the way it looks. Now I'm going to lay my glue down on top of the beads that's in there. Bring it up on the side and just drop it down on it, just like that. So it hangs over. And I'm just doing this as I go. I mean, that's pretty much how I work. As the inspiration comes to me, that's what I do. So I'm not sure how it's going to work or how it's going to look yet. I'm trusting it's going to be perfect though. Now the trimming, as I mentioned, is very sharp, but it's also very thin, so I'm not quite sure how the glue is going to sit on top of it. So I'm going to be generous with it, and I'm going to say go very slowly, because we need some protection for the top. Hold it in place and go slowly. So I'm going to go ahead, do that, come back and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so I just discovered something. I realized that if I take my not pearls, but if I take my beads, put them in the direction that I want it to go, and then just slide my glue alongside of the beads and the metal, that it holds it very well in place. So wanted to share that tip with you. Hold your beads on top of the vanity, the metal, and then lay your glue down in place. Hold it until it dries. Then you move on. Alright? Okay guys, quick, easy, and it's done. How fabulous is this? You can see the bottom. I mean, if you want to spray paint it, you can underneath. I don't want it to have a different color. I want it to stay silver because I'm going to use it as a silver tray. I'm going to go place it somewhere and let you see what it looks like. I'm so happy with it, guys. It really is gorgeous. Hope you can see that. Can you see the inside? Let me know what you're thinking. Guys, I hope that you do like this vanity. Give me a thumbs up if you do. And leave me a message. I'd love to hear from you. This was so quick, so easy, and absolutely gorgeous. I truly love it. I know I say that all the time, but I do. I do love it. And it was very cost effective. Love that. Doesn't cost much at all. And absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget, if you're not a subscriber, to hit the subscribe button and share with your family and friends. I will see you on my next DIY. Thank you.